Hi students, after little pause we meet here again. Students of standard 8th English medium. Today we will learn poem number 1, Sanskrit subject. Okay? And in standard 8 the poem number 1 is Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Students, we have to understand it's a title, then we will go ahead. Okay? See what is there in this poem. Students, Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. The title like this: Putri means daughter, Mama means my, Khalu means really, and Nidrati means is sleeping. It's given as present tense. Ti you can see here, it's known as present tense. Mi vaha maha, si thaha thaha, ti taha anti means third person singular form. Here Putri, it's a third person singular form, so ti happen. Okay, so remember this thing: Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati means really my daughter is sleeping. Okay, so that is the concept of title. Students, before we learn this poem, we have to recite this poem with reference clip. So here in this video you will see reference clip and you have to try to recite it. Okay, we have to listen it properly and then we will try to recite this poem at our home. Okay, understood? Let's start.
Putri mama khalu nidrati, 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 Sundar shayane sukhmaya vasane, Sundar shayane sukhmaya vasane, Putri mama khalu nidrati, Putri mama khalu nidrati, Putri mama khalu nidrati.
This way we can recite this poem. We have to understand it's a translate. Here the first words given in your book like this: Putri mama khalo nindrati. Putri means daughter, mama means my, khalu means really, and nindrati means is sleeping. So the whole concept is like this: really my daughter is sleeping. Okay. Next line is also same here. Putri mama khalu nindrati means really my daughter is sleeping. Okay. Understood, students? Sundar sayane sukhmaya vasane. Sundar sayane sukhmaya vasane. Putri mama khalu nindrati. Sundar sayan means beautiful bed, and sukhmaya vasan. Sukhmay means light, and maya avasan means wear clothes, means light clothes. Putri mama khalu nindrati means really my daughter is sleeping. So the whole concept here given like this, students. See, Putri mama khalu nindrati, really my daughter is sleeping. Putri mama khalu nindrati means really my daughter is sleeping. Okay. Sundar sayane sukhmaya vasane means she is sleeping in beautiful bed and also having wear light clothes. Really my daughter is sleeping. Understood? Now second verse. Re re vayasah karkasah kantha. Okay. Re re vayasah karkasah kantha maharat maharat karna katharam. Means, oh crow, you have harsh voice. Karkasah kantha means you have harsh voice, means not proper to listen. Maharat maharat karna kathoram means again and again don't make sound, because it is not good to listen to my ear and my daughter also. Sranta klanta punar anunita. Sranta means tired, and klanta means one who is slanta klanta, withered word given here. Punar anunita, and also she is pleased one. Putri mama khalu nindrati, really my daughter is sleeping. That is the concept here, students. Sranta klanta punar anunita. Sranta means tired, klanta means withered, and punar anunita means pleased. Putri mama khalu nindrati means really my daughter is sleeping. This is the concept of these two verses. Let's understand it's a right translate. See, Putri mama khalu nindrati means really my daughter is sleeping. Really my daughter is sleeping. She is sleeping in the beautiful bed. Okay. Right side you can see, students, here right side it's a translate given, and this translate given here. I hope you will pay attention here. Really my daughter is sleeping. Really my daughter is sleeping. Sundar sayane sukhmaya vasane means she is sleeping in the beautiful bed and also having wear light clothes. Really my daughter is sleeping. Understood? Next verse. Re re vayasah karkasah kantha means, oh crow, you have harsh voice. Don't make it again and again, because it's not good to listen for years. Because she is tired, withered, and pleased. Really my daughter is sleeping. Okay, that is the concept of these words. Next verse, see. Meow meow ma guru ghor viram. Chal chal re khal chor bida. Snigdha mugdha sevita dugdha. Mama putri khalu nindrati. Meow meow means making sound by cat. Ma kuru ghor viram means, oh cat, don't make these types of loud noise. Chal chal re khal chor vida means, oh cunning cat, let's you go from here. Okay, because you are not good for my daughter. Meow meow ma kuru ghor viram means you don't make a very loud noise of meow meow. Okay, let's, oh cunning cat, khal chor means cunning cat, bida means cat, let's go from here. Why? Because snigdha mugdha sevita dugdha means snigdha. Here snigdha word you can see. Okay, gentle one. Snigdha means gentle one. Mugdha means soft. Okay, and sevita dugdha means one who having given milk. Because my daughter is my daughter is gentle one. Then Mugdha means kind one. Sevita Dugdha means having given milk. Okay. Putri mama khalu nidrati means really my daughter is sleeping. So that is the whole concept of these words. Again, meow meow ma kuru gor viram means oh cat, don't make your loud noise of meow meow. Let's oh cunning cat, you go from here because my daughter is gentle one. Mugdha means very kind one and also having given milk. Putri mama khalu nidrati means oh cunning cat, really my daughter is sleeping. Understood, students? That the whole concept of these words like this. Next, see, meow meow ma kuru गोर अविराम चल चल रे खल चोर बिडालह स्निग्धा मुग्धा सेविता दुग्धा पुत्री मम खलु निद्राति. Okay, meow meow ma kuru gor viram. The concept here, oh cunning cat, don't make loud noise. Let's go from here. Let's you go from here because she is gentle, kind and having given milk. And another last line is really my daughter is sleeping. Okay, understood? Now next word, see student. उच्चे मा वस सुनक वराग भो भो मा कुरु कार्य विहीना. ओके, विमला कुशला सुमनो मृदुला पुत्री मम खलु निद्राति. उच्चे मा वस सुनक वराग means loud noise, don't make. Sunak varag means puppy. Bho bho ma kuru means don't make sound as bark. Okay, karya vihina means without work. Without work, you don't make sound. Okay, barking. Vimala kusala sumano mrudala. Okay, why? Because Vimala, see, don't make. Vimala means she is neat and clean, and kusala means skilled. Sumano means soft like flower. Putri mama khalu nidrati means really my daughter is sleeping. The whole concept like this, Ucche ma bhas sunak varak means oh puppy, you don't bark loudly. Bho bho ma kuru karya vihina, without any work, let's don't bark. Vimala kusala sumano mrudula means my daughter is Vimal and Kusal and Sumano mrudula. Vimal word we have seen there, neat and clean. Kushala means skillful. Sumano mrudula, Sumano means flower, mrudula means soft, means she is very soft like flower. Putri mama khalu nidrati means really my daughter is sleeping. Now last words, see here, re re masaka ma kuru ganam. Here mosquitoes are there in picture, you can see students. Re re masak ma kuru ganam means oh mosquitoes, let's don't buzz loudly. Ma kuru ganam means don't buzz loudly. Ma spruce and ma das, remember the word ma spruce and ma das rakta pipaso. Three words are there. Ma spruce, okay, ma das and rakta pipaso. Okay, spruce, das and rakta pipaso means don't touch, don't bite and make her bloody or don't suck the blood. Sudati Sumukhi Sobhana Gatri. Sudati means one who having great or good teeth. Sumukhi means having good face, and Sobhana Gatri means one who is great with great limbs. Okay, so here the concept like the re re masaka ma kuru ganam means oh mosquitoes, don't buzz loudly here, don't touch to her and don't bite and don't suck the blood, because she having good teeth, having good face, and Sobhana Gatri means she is a very gentle one and good one. Okay, so and also with a good limbs. Putri mama khalu nidrati, really my daughter is sleeping. Okay, understood the whole. Let's understand the translate. Here Ucche ma bhas sunak varak, the translate like this: oh puppy, don't bark loudly. Don't bark loudly without any work, because she is neat and clean, skilled and soft like flower. Really my daughter is sleeping. Next, oh mosquitoes, don't buzz loudly and don't touch and suck the blood, because she is having good teeth, good face and having good limbs. Really my daughter is sleeping. Understood students? Translate. Next, answer the following students. Here some answer the following given. See the first question given like this: Putri kim karoti. पुत्री किम करोति, पुत्री शयनम करोति, और पुत्री निद्रा करोति. दिस वे वी कैन राइट. कर्कशः कंठः कस्य अस्ति, कर्कशः कंठः काकस्य अस्ति और वायसः अस्ति. थर्ड, बिडालः किं करोति, बिडालः म्याऊ म्याऊ करोति. क्वेश्चन 4, भो भो कः वदति, भो भो शुनकवराकः वदति. माता मशकाय किं कथयति, माता मशकाय कथयति मा स्पृश मा दस रक्त पिपासो कथयति. ओके, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट, मैच द फॉलोइंग with appropriate words. Okay, see here, first question, vayasah, we have to match here properly. Understood? Vayasah, then the answer will come karkashah. Okay, bidalah means meow meow, sunak varak means bow bow, and putri mama indrati. This way we can match this. In between here given okay box, there you have to write answer what the 1 2 3 4 answer will come here. Okay students, I hope you understood this whole chapter properly, and at last I am telling that you refer this chapter again and again and watch this video again and again. Write, translate in your notebook again and again. Here I have given already translate in this video, so you have to write again and again. And at last, take care and thank you.